Ever stared at a blank page, unsure how to start? Copilot in Word can draft your first version in seconds. I've entered this prompt: write a professional cover letter for a marketing role. It is then a case of clicking here and waiting to see what's produced. When it's finished, this will appear and you click Keep It. I have scrolled to the top and it starts with Dear Hiring Manager. Now clearly you can edit that yourself to the name of the individual you're sending the letter to. I am writing to express my interest in the marketing role at your esteemed organization. With a strong academic background. You can pause the video and read the rest of what's on view yourself. I'll also put what's been produced by Copilot in the description of this video. I've scrolled down, so you may want to pause the video to read the rest of what Copilot has produced. My preference is to edit this first draft. Of course, you could go back to Copilot and ask it to edit it. One of the things I don't like about the letter is its tone, but you can go back to Copilot and refine this by asking it to change the tone, make it more friendly perhaps. But you can now do this within Copilot. But as I've already said, my preference, I now no longer have a blank page. I have something to work with, and it'll fire off ideas in my own head, and I'll alter this letter appropriately. I should point out I haven't got a marketing background. I was just using the prompt as an illustration to show how, if you're ever struggling with a blank page, you can get Copilot to give you a first draft, which will set you off on your way to be productive with the production of the letter.